Python scatter plots, how to create subplots easily. Have you ever wanted to display multiple scatter plots in one view? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we will learn how to create subplots using Python's Matplotlib library. This is a fantastic way to visualize and compare different datasets side by side. To start, you need to import the Matplotlib library. You can do this by writing import matplotlib, pyplot as plt. This command allows you to access all the plotting functions available in Matplotlib. Next, prepare your data. You can use simple lists or even data frame columns if you are working with pandas. Now let's create a grid for our subplots. You can do this with the subplots function. For example, if you want 2 rows and 1 column of plots, you would write fig ax is equal to plt, subplots 2, 1. This line creates a figure object and an array of axes objects. Each axes object corresponds to a subplot. Next, it is time to plot your data. You can use the scatter method on each axes object. For instance, if you want to plot data on the first subplot, you would write ax, scatter x1, y1. For the second subplot, you would use ax, scatter x2, y2. This way, each subplot can display different data. Customization is key to making your plots informative. You can set titles and labels for each subplot. For example, use ax, set title first scatter plot, to give your first subplot a title. Similarly, you can label the axes with ax, set x label x-axis, and ax, set y label y-axis. Repeat this for the second subplot as well. After you have added your plots and customized them, it is time to display everything. Simply call pltshow to render all the subplots in a single figure window. This will allow you to see all your scatter plots at once. If you want to create a more complex layout, you can adjust the number of rows and columns in the subplots function. For example, plt subplots 2, 3 creates a grid with 2 rows and 3 columns. This flexibility allows you to visualize multiple datasets in a structured way. Additionally, if you want to synchronize the axes across subplots, you can use the sharex and sherry parameters in the subplots function. This is particularly useful when comparing datasets that share similar scales. For those interested in more interactive plots, libraries like Plotly also support creating subplots. You can use the make subplots function and add scatter traces to specific positions in your layout. Creating scatter plot subplots in Python is straightforward and effective for data visualization. By using Matplotlib subplots function, you can easily compare different datasets in one figure. Whether you are analyzing trends or relationships, this method is a great addition to your data analysis toolkit.